How to fix Counter-Strike 2, this application requires DX11 error. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. The CS beta has reached over 500,000 calibrated users, with some encountering that this application requires DX11 error message while launching the game. This error indicates that the DirectX 11 is either not installed or not accessible to CS2. To resolve this issue, you can enable the DX11 through the launch options. Right-click on the CS2 in your Steam library and go to Properties, and in the General tab find Launch Options and type DX11 in the empty field. Update your drivers to the latest version. Visit the website of your video cards developers such as NVIDIA, Intel, AMD, or update drivers to the Windows Device Manager by searching for Device Manager and clicking on the display adapters and choosing the update driver. Right-click on the Counter-Strike 2 in your Steam library, select Properties, and click on the Install Files. Choose Verify Integrity of the game files, and wait for the Steam to finish the process and launch the game again. So this is how you can fix Counter-Strike 2. This application requires DX11 error. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.